Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the Grok Star Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Now here's a trade that we had in the Grok Star Room this morning on SD. This is what it looked like in pre-market, and just before opening here, it got some news of a possible hostile takeover, and it dropped from 610 down to 680. That is about a 5 or 6% drop. And that was forming what we call a low base. If you want to know more about what a low base is, go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to the free chart school. Here's a description of it, and then down below is a picture of it where you have a run down to a line of support, and then the probability is that if it drops below that, it is going to be a bearish move. So here we are. I told folks set up for a short, and this is it right at opening. This blue line there is opening. Let's see what happened after opening. Bam! Look at that. It fell hard, and I went in at $5.77. I am short SD, and it pulled all the way down to here. Let's see what happened after that. Bam! Bam! Look at that! All the way down to $5.10. I went ahead and I took out half at that point for 11.6%. And I'm still long half, and I pulled the stop down here to $5.20. Let's see what happened after that. Bam! It fell all the way down here again, down here to the 490 area. Now $5 is usually a really hard support for a lot of stocks, but in this case it fell down here and it's starting to come back up. So I pulled my stop down here on the second half to about $5, and what happened after that? Boom, there it goes. It caught me out right here at $5.03 on the second half for 12.8%. So that means that this trade, I was short here, half out covered here, and the other half covered right up here for 12.2% in only 12 minutes. Hoo-ah! But it isn't over yet. It started to bounce up, and all the indicators down here's one you can barely see is the OBV is also coming up. So that's telling me that it's getting stronger, along with my other indicators. And I said if it gets over this 520 mark, I want it to be long. And you can see these marks here, by the way, were from me actually trading it this morning. And there it popped up above it, and I'm in at $5.21. I'm long. But it was a little risky because it's right here on the 20-period moving average. Is that going to be resistance or not? And what's it? And there she goes. Boom! All the way up here to the 50-period moving average. Is this one going to be resistance or not? I don't know. And we're still up here to $5.65-ish. And look at that. These are just made-up lines, right? Look at that. Boom. Who's saying these don't make a difference? And it did pop above it. I'm feeling good right now. I'm with my long, and then it pulled back hard. So I took out half here at $5.66 for 8.6%. Let's see what happens next. Okay, and it's just kind of going along the side here. It's kind of like they decided that the 560 area was going to be what the price was for the rest of the day. So I got my other half out here at $5.62 for 8.0%. So the total long trade from here, half out here, the other half out right here, was for 8.3% in 19 minutes. I mean, folks, it isn't even 5 after 10 yet, and we already have these two trades total together. This short trade for 12.2% and the long trade for 8.3%, for a total of 20.5% on these two trades alone. Whoo, doggies! Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. I am going to be doing mentoring in Las Vegas, both a regular mentoring class and an advanced mentoring class for next week. So the next trading video won't be until the 19th of November. So until then, trade well.